Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a hard collage using CapCut on PC. So it's a hard collage as you can see right here. So right over here we have a hard collage. Obviously you can customize this even more. You can add a hard collage, you can just add some horizontal or vertical images or videos, and I'm going to show you now right now how you can do this in CapCut PC. So what you have to do right now is just to click here on import your video, and once you import a video, drag and drop this video on the timeline, and now you can simply head over here in the mask and you can click on hard, and now just select and move it exactly the way you want. You can change the position, rotation, and you can also increase the feather, which will look pretty good because now you can go in basic and you can add some color in the background if you want. Now we have a color in the background, and you can change the color if you want to. And we also have a heart. So if that's what you want, it's really easy to create a collage. Now you can right click here and create a compound clip. Then you can now add another image or video, and you can maybe go here to mask and just split. You can change the rotation if you want to split this in different. You can add some feather as well from here or from here, and move this the way you want. Click on basic. Now you add this split, and you can change this and move it right here maybe, and now you can customize this the way you want and the way you want for social media. So I really hope guys you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.